If you're thinking about getting the Curiosity Box, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know before you take the plunge. I've used it, researched it thoroughly, and now I'm sharing my honest take on what makes it stand out from the competition. So if you're ready to make an informed decision, stick around until the end. You won't want to miss this. First off, the Curiosity Box is designed to be different. While other subscription boxes out there often deliver generic or predictable items, the Curiosity Box curates unique experiences, toys, puzzles, and educational content that keep you engaged and learning. It's more than just a box of random goodies. Every item has a purpose, which gives it an edge over typical products in this space. Next thing to note is the quality of the items. From intricate puzzles to high-quality educational tools, the Curiosity Box is crafted to offer something truly interactive. The quality is what sets it apart from cheaper alternatives, which often feel like filler items. With the Curiosity Box, you know you're getting something that lasts and keeps you thinking. The third thing you'll want to know is how flexible it is. Most competitors require long-term commitments, or don't offer a chance to cancel without penalty. The Curiosity Box, however, allows for more flexibility. You can get started without a huge upfront commitment and even try it out with a free trial, making it less risky than other options out there. The fourth thing is how much of an experience it offers. Unlike other boxes that just deliver items, the Curiosity Box turns every month into a mini adventure. You get access to themed content that complements the physical items, creating a cohesive learning experience. If you're into games that make you think or kits that teach you something new each month, the Curiosity Box gives you that layered experience that others don't. The fifth thing to consider is their customer service. While many competitors lack quality support or make it hard to get in touch, the Curiosity Box has earned positive reviews for being responsive and helpful. If something's wrong, they work quickly to make it right, and that's a huge plus in an industry where some companies tend to fall short in this area. Sixth, their value for money. Some subscription boxes can feel overpriced for what you get, especially if the items are cheaply made. The Curiosity Box is priced reasonably for the quality and educational value you receive, which is a real selling point. Plus, when you compare it to competitors offering similar priced options but lower quality content, the Curiosity Box stands out. Finally, let's talk about the uniqueness of the product. There are a lot of subscription services out there, but what makes the Curiosity Box truly special is how well it appeals to a broad range of ages and interests. Whether you're an adult looking for a mental challenge or someone wanting to introduce kids to new ideas and activities, the Curiosity Box delivers an experience that's customizable and inclusive. If you're curious about giving the Curiosity Box a try, now is the perfect time. Click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial offer, plus some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out. Take the leap into curiosity today.